Do you ever do a smoky eye and wonder,
Why do I look like a panda? What is wrong with me? Am I cursed? Why does a man look better than me in a smoky eye? We're going to change that today.
I'm going to first start by making a base with my concealer. We are going to be taking the Mmmmitchell palette, shade called Man-Made, and I'm going to put it in my crease. Now I take a fluffy brush. I pick up the color Monday, which is a darker brown than Man-Made, and I'm going to just put it in the crease, blend it with the other brown. Now with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to take the shade, it's a brown from the Mmmmitchell palette, and I'm going to put it below the dark brown. Now you can see how I'm blending it and I'm sort of kind of extending it. That's how I personally like my smoky eyes, but if you don't like that, you can very well keep it in the outer V corner of your eye and not extend it. Need a really dark kajal or a gel liner. I'm using this Maybelline one and I'm putting it all over my lid. I'm gonna stop right where the black ends. I'm going to take a flat brush, and with the help of that I'm gonna pat the black eyeshadow on the black gel liner. Now with the help of the fluffy side of the brush, I'm going to blend it, but as you can see I'm blending it right in my crease and I'm not extending it towards my eyebrows, and that is key. I'm going to put the same black eyeshadow on my lower lid. I'm gonna extend it and make these merge. I'm going to take a kajal and waterline and tightline, disappear any skin that I can see because I don't find it very flattering. Here's me putting a mascara on my upper and lower lashes. I'm gonna take these Nykaa lashes and bam, we are done. Now I'm gonna start with the base, taking the Porefessional primer from Benefit. I'm gonna put it in my T-zone area, filling all of my pores. Color correct with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, the orange shade, and all the places where I have darkness on my face. Powder, I'm taking this one from Try Sugar and I'm gonna literally tap this, push it and set the concealer, the orange concealer that I've used right now. I'm gonna remove it with a fluffy brush from MAC Cosmetics. I don't wait a lot after putting the powder. Take my foundation. I'm gonna take a teensy tiny bit and spread it all over my face. Take the same concealer that I took in the beginning and I'm going to highlight my face. Also conceal any spots that are left. For this I use a damp beauty blender because this just makes the whole look really seamless. The face looks really seamless and airbrushed. I took my contouring shade and I took a dusky pink lipstick that I just put in the center of my lips and blended it. Topped it up with a lip gloss. took a golden highlighting shade and put it in my inner corner, and bam! This is my favorite inner corner, especially for darker eye looks. It looks so good. And we're done. You can never go wrong with black smoky eyes. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, like, subscribe and comment, and follow me on my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Put your hand